Now let the nose snatching commence. Hey love bugs, welcome to my channel. I am navimarlow. Thanks for joining me today. If you're a returning subscriber, hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, if this is your first time clicking on the navimarlow channel, hi, welcome. Nice of you to join us. In this video, you guys, I am going to do a nice fall/wintry look. I'm going to do a nice little gold or neutral look on my eyes, and I'm going to go with a dark fall winter color on my lips. I usually like to balance the two out. So if I do something dark on my lips, I try to keep my eyes light, neutral, airy, maybe in the gold tone. But if I go dark on my eyes, I'll try to do neutral on my lips. So in this video, we're going to keep it simple. We're going to keep it classy, and we're going to keep it cute, sis. Let's jump into it. So I have already done my eyebrows offline like I always do. I use the Precisely My Brow Pencil by Benefit. This is the color 3.5. And I use this Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the color Sand to carve it all out. So now let's jump into this beautiful palette. This is Urban Decay's new Naked Honey palette. I just love the colors in this palette. I'm going to first start with this color called Keeper. I'm going to use that as my transition color. And then I'm going to move to this color called Drip. I'm going to apply that to my crease, and then I'm going to blend those two colors out using this color called Hive. So now I'm going to take this color here, which is probably my favorite because of the name of it. But this color is called HBIC. Yes, boo, you heard it right. HBIC, aka Head Biatch in Charge. For some reason, this color speaks to me, but this is like a bronzy, goldy color. So I'm going to take this and place it directly on my eyelid. Now I'm going to use one of my favorite liquid eyeliners. This is the e.l.f. liquid eyeliner. I purchased this from Target, but e.l.f. and NYX are my favorite liquid eyeliners. I really like the applicator on the e.l.f. liquid eyeliner better than the one on the NYX, just because it just glides on better. But they both do the same job. They both glide on with that matte finish. They're both deep, dark black, and they pretty much stay on for a really long time. So now I have applied my lashes. Next thing I'm going to do is set my face using this Urban Decay De-Slick setting spray. Now I'm going to take primer. I'm using the Hydro Grip Primer by Milk. I'm going to apply that to the outer perimeter of my face, and then I'm going to take my favorite primer, which is the Cover FX Blurring Primer, and I apply that to the center of my face where my pores are, because I have larger pores around my T-zone area. Next, I'm taking this Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion. I actually use this in my smile lines. I learned this trick or makeup hack from another makeup artist, but she uses this in the smile lines to help decrease the creasing. Next, for foundation, I'll be using the Forever Dior foundation. I am in the color 4W. This isn't really one of my go-to foundations. If you've seen any of my other tutorials, then you know my favorites are the Double Wear foundation by Estee Lauder. Of course, my NARS, because I'm a narcissist. No, I'm not a narcissist. Let's get that for the record. I'm not a narcissist. And I also like the Lancome. But I use this Forever Dior every so often, so it is what it is. I feel like it doesn't last as long as some of my other favorites, but it's up there. It's probably top 5, one of my favorite foundations. So now, speaking of favorites, one of my favorites is this here. This is the Colorpop concealer, which is my top favorite concealer. I am in the color medium dark 32, and I'm just going to apply this to my underarms, under my eyes, and my forehead, my nose, my cupid's bow, all that good stuff. Now I'm going to take my beauty blender and blend under my underarms. Just joking. And I'm going to blend that out under my eyes and all that good stuff. Yeah. Now I'm taking this MAC foundation stick. I just started using this and I'm starting to love it. This is actually one of my favorite foundation sticks. It used to be Anastasia, but I think this is up there with Anastasia. This is the color NW50, and I'm going to use this to contour. Now it's time to set, so I'm taking this Sacha, I never know how to say it, Sacha setting powder. This is the yellow shade of this setting powder, and I'm going to apply that to my concealed areas. So now it is time to bronze. I'm taking this Becca bronzer. This color is called Capri Coast. This is actually my favorite bronzer of all times. The one and only, the only one that I go to. I don't know how to act when I bronze. It's like kind of like when I'm eating, you know, I have to dance. Am I the only one who likes to dance when they eat and when they bronze? Or is that just me? What? Oh, okay, never mind. Now I'm going to jump back into the Naked Honey palette. I'm going to take the color called Drip, which is the same color I used in my crease, and I'm going to apply that to my waterline just to give me a light smoky look. I'm going to take my favorite mascara. This is the Lancome mascara in the color black, and I'm going to apply that to my bottom lashes. And then I'm going to take this MAC mineralized finishing powder, and I am in the color dark, and I'm just going to apply that to my entire face. And then I'm going to take this Juvia's Place highlighter, which is the color called Tribe number 2, volume number 2, and I'm going to use that to highlight. All All right, now we're gonna set this thing off. We're gonna take this Morphe setting spray and I'm just going to apply that to my entire face so we can set this makeup in place. Okay, so which lipstick should I go with? I'm really feeling this carnivorous one. This is by MAC, but I'm also like this dark berry color. This is called High Drama. And you know, I'm usually for the drama, but I think I'm gonna go with carnivorous on this one. Yeah, I'm feeling okay, yeah, we're gonna go with that one. So I'm going to take this MAC lip liner. This is the color called Night Moth, and I'm going to use that to carve out, or not carve out, I'm gonna use that to line my lips. And then I'm gonna go with this MAC liquid lipstick. This is called Carnivorous, and it gives like a matte finish. I just think it's so cute. Well, this is the final look, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. All the products that I use will be listed in the description box below. But let me know what you guys thought of this look. I am really loving this palette. The colors in this palette are so bomb. But don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.